What's the meaning of chamois? Chamois. Chamois.
Chamois. Chamois. Chamois refers to a species of mountain goat antelope found in the European Alps. These animals are known for their agility and can leap up to 6 meters. They have adapted to live in high altitudes and rough terrain, with specialized hooves and powerful legs that allow them to climb steep cliffs and rock faces. The chamois is also highly prized for its soft and durable leather, which is used for clothing and other luxury items. Additionally, they are an important prey species for larger predators such as wolves and lynx.